In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Netskope client. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing the Netskope client. While I can show you the actual installation process due to limit access, I'll provide a clear explanation. So first, open your browser and navigate to the Netskope admin console, and then take note that access to the admin console requires an account with appropriate permissions. So assumingly we have an access for that, log into your account in the admin console, go to the settings, and then click the client. Locate the download link for your specific operating systems. It can be Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click the link to download the installer file. So ensure system compatibility. Check that your system meets Netskope requirements for the clients. Disable any conflicting software temporarily, such as the other security tools, and then obtain deployment code. You'll need a deployment or authentication code from your Netskope admin. This code allows the client to connect to your organization's Netskope environment. And then on Windows, if you're using Windows, locate the downloaded installer file, usually in your downloads folder. Double click on that and then start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installations, and then when prompted, enter the deployment code provided by your admin and then click finish to complete the setup. And if you're using Mac OS, you can open the installer file, usually a .pkg format or .dmg format. So drag the Netscape client icon to the applications folder if required, and then launch the installer and follow the instructions. Enter the deployment code when prompted and complete the installation and restart your device if necessary. And then if you're using a Linux, use the terminal to navigate to the directory with the installer file and then run the installation command for the file like sudo or the /netscope_installer.run, and then follow the terminal prompts to complete the installation and then enter the deployment code during the setup process. And then after that, after installation, the Netscope client icon could be or should be appear in your system tray or menu bar. Click the icon to check the client status and then ensure it's connected to your organization's network and functioning correctly. And that's it. That's how you install the Netscape client in Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.